We're glad that you've purchased the Outreach greeting card display, and we really do hope it will be a benefit to your church as you share God's love. What we want to do in the next few minutes is show you what's in the box and how to successfully assemble the display. In the box that contains the display, you'll find 4 pieces. The first piece is the header. The second piece is the brown corrugated insert that sits down inside the base. Then you also have the base. And finally, the fourth piece is the card tray itself, which is already assembled and ready to drop into the base when we get to that point in the assembly. Now let's go ahead and go to the assembly instructions. The first thing you'll want to do is prepare the base. It will start to take shape when you take those 3-inch flaps on the bottom and fold them inward. There will also be in the front a piece that is flapped down. Now while that front piece is still flapped down, take your insert that adds support to the structure, fold in the 2 sides and slip it down inside of the base. Once it's in there, you'll see that you have 2 wing flaps that fold in, and in the middle of those flaps there'll be a slot on each outer side. This will be part of how this all assembles together. Now fold the flaps in that are on the base and hold down all the pieces flat and bring up the front flap. The flap has little tabs that will slip down into the slots of the extra support insert and also slots that are on the base itself. Now take your tray and sit it down into the base. There are 2 tabs at the bottom of the tray that will slip into slots in the base. On the 2 outside trays, you will see tabs that you pull out that will slip into the base on the side. All of the trays have tabs, but you'll only use the ones on the outside trays that have slots provided to attach to the base. At this point, your trays are securely set on the base and you're ready to go to the header. On the header, the first thing you do is fold in the ends. One of the keys while assembling the header is to notice that there are some tabs with some really large wings on them. Fold those wings in so that they don't stick out. This will make it possible to put those tabs into the slots. At that point, those wings will extend back out and hold securely. You'll notice that there will be tabs on each end of the header that are still sticking out. Those need to be there because that's what will slip into the trays on the top so that the header is sitting securely on them. Once you have the header in place, your display is assembled and ready for the cards. We hope that your card program will be a great success and a blessing to many.